Welcome everyone. You may be wondering if you can access QuickBall in your iPhone. The answer is no. There is an alternative to QuickBall in the iPhone, but it's not as good as the QuickBall in Android or other operating systems. So this alternative is called Assistive Touch, and to get the Assistive Touch on our device, the first step is we're going to open up the Settings app. And from here, we want to find where it says accessibility. If you don't see accessibility, then you may need to tap on general, and then you will see the accessibility option. And from here, we want to find where it says touch, and then we want to find where it says assistive touch. If you don't see the touch menu, then you just need to scroll down and you should see assistive touch right away, and you can see we are brought to the same menu. So when we turn on the assistive touch, you have this little virtual button, and when you tap on it, you have all these options and gestures and stuff like that. And you can see customize top level menu, and you can change what the assistive touch will do. Okay. Now, if you want the assistive touch to open up specific apps, you will need to create a shortcut which opens up an app, and I'll show you how to do that in like 10 seconds. But you also have these system navigations you can select as well. You can just scroll down, you can see all those system navigations, and if you want them, you can have them here. But if we want to open up an app, which is what the QuickBall does, it just shows your previously used apps. The best thing we can do is just have apps we use a lot in the Assistive Touch. So if we open up the Shortcuts app, we're going to tap on the plus, and then we're going to tap on Add Action, and we're going to search for Open App. So Open App, nothing else, Open App. And you select the app you want, like this. And we're going to rename the shortcut to the app name, which is App Store. And then we're going to tap on Done. We then go back into the accessibility, the Assistive Touch settings. I'm going to tap on Gestures, or whatever one you want to replace. And we're going to tap on the App Store, and then Done. So now, when we tap on this button, and we go to App Store, you can see it will immediately open me up to the App Store. Even if I'm in the settings, it just moves me right there. Okay. And you can do that for multiple apps here if you would like to as well. And you can just customize, change each one by one. And you can even add more icons, up to 8. So you can have 8 of your most used applications if you would like. And once you have that, boom, boom, you can easily switch between your applications, no problem. If you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.